Now at 5:30, the number of children taking their own lives in North Carolina trended down last year, but these numbers are still much higher than before the pandemic.
Yeah, it's really bad out there. The Department of Health and Human Services actually says that that's largely due to the mental health issues that are ongoing and the number of guns that are out there. WCNC Charlotte's Tradisha Woodard shares the story of one teenager who is pushing to make a difference ahead of the holiday season.
For some, choosing to live is an act of courage.
It was a suicide attempt.
It's an experience 15-year-old Claire Olsen knows all too well after trying to commit suicide back in June of last year.
I was struggling really bad with mental health issues. Anxiety is the biggest issue for me, and just constant worrying, constant stress, thinking about things in the past and future that I can't control.
Claire says it was one of the gloomiest moments of her life, but it was also that same darkness that brought her to light.
I ended up spending a week in Presbyterian's behavioral health ward at the hospital. And while I was there, it was the hardest week of my life, but it was also what I needed in the moment. It was the best thing for me. After I was able to go home, I just started thinking about my situation and the experience I was in.
Claire says people like her family and therapists helped her better understand the importance of time and the value of life. Gifts she wants her peers to appreciate too.
I was in therapy every week, and my therapist Q, she gave me the best compliment I've ever received. She told me that I was a golden person, I had a gold heart.
Claire says that's when it hit her. She wanted to find a way to encourage her peers to cherish every breath they take. So she started the Gold Project, delivering warm blankets and pillows to mend broken hearts and minds.
I just started thinking about my situation and the experience I was in. And hospitals are very sterile, cold environments. And especially in behavioral health wards, all of your belongings are stripped from you and you're in paper scrubs. You're using very thin blankets. In the hospital, it's a very hard time. And I just want to bring as much comfort to these kids as I can.
She says her goal is to fill the empty void with love because suicide doesn't remove pain. Instead, it transfers it to someone else.
There's just so much to live for. I just want to make the holiday season as much comforting as I can.
Tradisha Woodard, WCNC Charlotte.
Yeah, wow, leaves many questions as well. If you'd like more information about how to contribute to a cause just like this, you can find more details on our website at WCNC.com. It's actually a specific cause. You can go right there. And for anyone who is struggling out there, maybe someone that is struggling, can reach out to the National Suicide and Crisis Lifeline by calling or texting 988.